You want to unleash your web design business to soar new heights. Look, you started as a village or a small town, and now you've scaled upwards, you're getting clients and business, and you want to become a thriving metropolis. What's the secret to achieve that? It's about building demand organically and strategically. Think of it like a garden. It takes time and care to nurture your seedlings into a lush landscape filled with clients. The small town or village where you started, you might have been offering $50 or $100 per website, and now you're getting a bit more demand, or people are hearing about you, and now you want to price upwards. This is where you have your pricing strategy. Now, you could well be offering $50 template websites, really simple, quick and easy, and then you might say, we are now going to have a bespoke package, and that might be $500, and then you might have a much more customized one with e-commerce and appointments and bookings and SEO and all of that, and that might be $2,000. That might be your pricing strategy. But once you start to get more demand, that $50 website, that needs to go up in price. Let's say we multiply by 10 to 500. Now the package number 2 that was, say, $500, that needs to go up by 10 to maybe 5,000. And the other one that was 1,000, you hike that up to 10,000. And I know, in your chair right now, you're sitting back and going, are you having a laugh? My client's not going to pay that. Well, then you need to reflect and look at the kind of clients you are getting and what are you trying to attract. Businesses and clients that value what you're going to bring for their business will pay your prices. I am not exaggerating. Go and speak to a lot of successful businesses. Our basic websites start at $9,000. The minute you want e-commerce or a directory or anything like that, the prices go upwards. If you value what we bring to the table, let's get that meeting set up. For all the new freelancers or web design agencies out there, you're an explorer in this big wide world, okay? You got to find your way. You are going to make mistakes. You're going to learn what kind of clients you don't want to work with again. What kind of websites don't you enjoy? Some people never like to work on e-commerce because they just don't like it. Some people never offer SEO services, even though you have solutions like Rank Math out there. But you're going to find what you like. You're going to find what niche you want to work in. You're going to decide on your pricing strategy and your pricing ladder, your basic, your intermediate, your more advanced design. Embrace the journey, because eventually you will be paving the path to success.